Johera mag tuke rugby biro yudo thuolo mar yudo yuoro e tuke mag Christie Sevens biro bagi alap ma RFUEA grounds kachakore tarik 27 dweni. Kenya Harlequins, Strathmore Leos, joloch mokalo KCBRC, Menengayo, Ilais kaachiel gi Cabras gin moko kuom timbe madongo mabiro yore tukego.
We've been preparing for several months now, obviously with a lot of learnings from the edition last year. And so this year we've done quite a bit to ensure that our players are comfortable in terms of making sure there's good nutrition available, that there's space for them to decompress and get ready for their next fixtures, and also that there's just a supporting team available to ensure that all their needs are met.
It's the 57th edition of the tournament, so we've been running for 57 years of this tournament. So what we're expecting this weekend is a good tournament, an international tournament. So we expect lots of fun, good rugby, and a good fun experience for everyone who will be attending the tournament. So we are well prepared for the tournament, and we are definitely looking forward to hosting it, being the first leg of the national